Yes, Mahal Antonio Barreño. I just heard Project Zero Hunger, Project Zero Blood, Project Human is the most dominant species of the entire universe. Now is Project Robo House. Project Robo House. I did come up with the idea because of the said tsunami in Japan that strikes Japan. So tsunami strikes Japan. There's a lot of people who died in. So I love Japanese animation. Samurai X, Dragon Ball Z, Ghost Fighter, Mortal Spy, Daimos, BTX, Thunderjet, the American 2, Voltron, the Alliance, Transformers, Voltron, and a lot in American 2 on Man and Machine Power Extreme, Captain Power, Transformers, yes, let's see, let's see, and Transformer, Beast, and plus movies, DC, and Super Friends. That's how it's a product, Super Friends, DC and Marvel, Super Friends can just, yes, Project Robonauts, Robonauts. So I did come up because of the save plan. Did come up with an hentai. Well, I did come up with an idea of said Robo House or Tech House automation. Yeah, this house is more like a house that has automated and very much automated, and it has a computer machine or robot that can shake you up. It's like more visiting your doctor for a checkup. The said robot will inform you sick, what vitamins or minerals you're lacking from, or blood pressure, etc., etc. Okay, it's more to prevent you from getting sick. Okay, it's more like Project Zero sickness. So that was Project Zero, Project Tech House and Project Robo House. It's more like can be made into village. First, a single, then village, then municipal, then a country, then all countries around the world. But I'm pretty sure it's a good idea. A tech house, robot house, or advanced house, robot house. Okay, really much fully automated, and plus the same robo. What we do term it robo doctor, robo nurse, robo health robo, H robo. Okay, it's more like that. Okay, because and this house can be moved, and plus from the said cartoons, Dragon Ball Z, movie, and plus anime, the Hoi Poi capsule. Remember the Hoi Poi capsule? I have a version of that. Hoi Poi capsule can be made possible by mastering the changes of matter from solid, liquid to gas and plasma. By mastering the said change of matter from solid, liquid to gas to plasma. we can mastering it, practicing it, study it well, and correlate it from what I said needed. That's how I come up with those projects to 200 search for human service learning skills. I hope to make it possible. I hope to capture. Okay. Now, did you see now how I say how I can make possible the possibility of this that how to capture. I have a version of it. Just it's more like a beam of light. This beam of light will be spot on the said ideal place. Then choose your design, and it will be made immediately. Not no less not less than a year. You can make it a month. There in America there is an instant house in one day. You can produce it. Yes, so it can be instant presentation. Okay. Robo house, type of village. Imagine your village. No need security guards or police. Scan visitors will bell scan. And psychological and just their health and their criminal records. Message scanner will transfer from the India to FBI to say barangays will have computers that are the facilities to pass the said and when it scan a criminal could be easily to arrest or automatically be lasered in not to kill but to disable him and put it in a jail. I have a project Zero Criminal or Project Criminal Free Earth, okay, or Space Opera series. Yeah, I have to see. Okay, I see it. Okay, Project Criminal Free Earth, okay, will be held there, so the Earth will be criminal free because Alcatraz will be located in outer space. Outer space is very huge, so it has facilities. We can make those asteroids be asteroids built or beds of rocks. Problem in space travel. We can stick it together, stick six chemicals plastic, rubber, then make Alcatraz out of it. And we can make we can make a more humane facilities, not to create it, okay? And there will be 24/7 monitored by robots, okay? Those high-tech criminals will be separated to them according to the geographic capabilities to ensure our security. Okay, this has been Mario Antonio Pareño from Plan Alino and Pareño. Okay. From Manila, Philippines. My address is in the description. Okay, Barangay LSS Blackfield. I will mention it there. Barangay LSS Blackfield, 21 General Mariano Alvarez, Cavite, Manila, Philippines. Okay. From Plan Pareño. Regards to all Makalinaw Pareño Ronald Vision all the best. Happy treatings to all, especially to my family, nakatagay ko Pareño, kasi ito Makalinaw Pareño, ayun si Makalinaw Pareño, my link to Makalinaw Pareño, then there's something that is Daniel Alta Pareño, Dana May Pareño, James Ivan Pareño, Shania May Pareño, Shane Marie Pareño, and Sean Robert Pareño. Okay, this has been my Antonio Pareño saying bye, guys.